Hey, good morning, guys. I'm Josh Kent. I'm the owner of Sunfrog, and I am in San Diego at the 80/20 event. And I'm on day two. Just spent all day yesterday going through what felt like a college course of sorts, analyzing data, learning about a new perspective and a new technique. And I couldn't be happier. I would say today on day two, my epiphany, as simple as it sounds, is quantify. It's going to be my new mantra as a business owner. I am going to start quantifying my moves. And maybe you can relate as a business owner, it is so easy to run on your gut. You know, I don't have an MBA. I didn't take a single business course. I've been just grinding for 20 years, following my heart, feeling my gut, whatever you want to call it. And it's been working. Don't get me wrong. But I feel like I'm a good business guy. But this is going to make me a great business guy. I am convinced of it. I have not been this pumped in years to go get it, because what they're doing here is they're basically spelling out, and I love that they categorize your potential, and they literally say, hey, here's where your margin expansion is, here's where your efficiencies are, here's where your growth is. I feel like I have marching orders, and I fully agree with them. They're so in line with my business that now I can take different segments of my company and I can push and multi-threaded in a sense, right? Three different huge buckets of opportunity that I fully believe is on the table for me, for my company. This will strengthen our company. This will give us financial security within our company and give us more growth potential. And I couldn't be happier. And I just keep using the term quantify, quantify, quantify. Like, I am going to quantify the moves we make within our company. They will be the right moves because we have the clarity that we haven't had in years. So thanks to the 80/20 group. You guys are awesome. Staff, the system, all of it. Can't say enough about it. You really can't put a price on that, because moving forward, like I said, good to great. Maybe actually you can put a price on it, because they're literally projecting what they believe I am capable of doing, and I believe in it as well. So maybe you can put a price on it.